Welcome to tradinghowto.in. In this video, we will see how we can display volumes along with moving average applied on the volume just like this. So here, to explain it from the beginning, I'm gonna remove the volume indicator that I have applied, and then we will go to indicators and we will search for volume. We will find the volume indicator, we will click on it, and the volume indicator will be applied here. After that, we will go to the section where all the applied indicators are displayed, and when we go to volume, we can see settings. We need to click on that. It will open up a small window, and here first we go to input and we will enter the moving average length. 20 is entered by default. I'm gonna enter 50 in here. And after that, if you want the volume bars colors to be displayed depending on the previous trading day's close value, then you guys can check this checkbox. I'm not gonna do that. And after that, we will go to style, and here we will check this checkbox which says volume moving average. And once I do that, we can see the moving average line displayed on the volume. And to make it pretty, we will click on this line and we will select area. Okay, now you guys can see the moving average is displayed with the area option. Now, in order to make it pretty, again we will click on this color option, and you guys can select whatever color you like. And after that, what we do is we will decrease the opacity. Here I'm gonna keep it somewhere in between 30 to 35%. Depending on your liking, you guys can set the opacity. And after that, we will click outside. And after that, we can click on OK, and that's it. Now the volume is displayed in here along with moving average, and it looks like this. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you want to say something, then rate that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later in the next video.